Good morning. Good morning. Let's see live. Post that up. It's misprints. We typically get misprints at 8. It wasn't real. What's up, everybody? Good morning. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed day so far. Let's see, make sure I put the right date, 1/18. That is, in fact, today. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. All right, we good there? It's funny whenever we get those 8 o'clock misprints. I always look at the Discord and people are always like, whoa, 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 what's happening? Very crazy candles. It's just a misprint. It's okay. Just a misprint. All right. Why did we pump? Who can tell me? Why are we rallying right now? Anybody know? Somebody's got to know. If you guys pay attention to what I talk about and what I teach, you should know why we are rallying. Get this TikTok going. What's up, channel members? Greatly appreciate you guys as always. Good morning. Why is it installing? Why does it install it every time? I'm going to be highly upset if not a single person in here gets it. Highly upset. I'll give you guys one more minute. Why did we bounce on SPY and ES? I get this TikTok live set up. Education, creating a daily watch list. Nope. Not news reports. We broke below the 21 EMA yesterday. We closed above it at the end of the day, but that's not a main reason why we bounced there. There you go, 61.8. Steve got it. Steve, you might be the only one that's paying attention. 61.8, that's why we bounced. Where was the 61.8 yesterday? Let's pull up SPY. Go to the 4-hour time frame. Pivot low, pivot high. 61.8. That's why we bounced yesterday. That was the exact low yesterday as well. Go to a 2-minute time frame. There's your entry. Boom. That was a low. That's why we bounced. So, man, I'm a little upset about that. Thought more people would have got that. We talked about that level. It's okay. Anyways, okay. So, going into today. Let's delete one of these. Boom. Let's see. We have a trend line right here on the 4-hour. Breaking above it. I mean, if there was an area to reject, might have already hit it. No. So like 475.27 would be the area that I would watch if we were to reject. that's going to be super high risk. Maybe we can scalp it and then see what happens from there. But yeah, that's about the only area I'd really be interested. After that, we can just target these previous day's highs here at 476.50 or 60, whatever, and then 478.6. Then after that, we have all-time highs. So, cool. Let's see. Sets it on the 4-hour. So that daily squeeze. We have a decent amount of Fed speakers. I mean, we could sit here and squeeze for a little bit. Still looking to get a SPY longer dated swing to the upside. Today's Thursday. Fed speaker, jobless claims, housing starts, building permits, Fed speaker. So we'll see what happens over these next couple of days. I'm hoping what happens is we kind of just bounce around on the daily 21 EMA and squeeze. And then hopefully get a buy signal from the stochastics. Joey, I use fibs on all different time frames. There's not one specific. Bunch of different time frames. But yeah, we can look for that reject 475.27. If we get above there, then we got room. I don't think there's any good supply zones on the way up. Yeah, none that I'm seeing. Take off this VWAP though. Boom. Cool. So, I mean, maybe if we came back and retested this trend line, I'd be interested for a potential bounce. So, like 473, give or take. Or just look for an uptrend entry to the upside. So, that's everything on SPY. If we really start pulling them 468. Yes. Nope, I'm still looking for the swing. Still looking. So 61.8. As far as rejects, I mean, again, pretty much the only area I would watch would be here to here, and that would be super high risk. So let's see what happens if we actually get up towards 4,800. Again, ideally gonna scalp that, but cool. Take off this 50. Awesome. Let's do this. Good morning. But yeah, that's about it on ES and SPY. No good supply zones. Then if we crack that 61.8, we can just look to take it here. Look to take it here. Then all-time highs, 48, 41.5. Cool. That's everything on SPY and ES. Let's take a quick look at NQ and QQQ. Still watching that supply if we get up there. This is a pretty big zone. So go to the 1 hour. Starts right here all the way up to 17,105. So we get up there. I'll look for rejects. We came down to that 2 hour demand yesterday on NQ and we bounced. This was the only trade I ended up taking yesterday. Was this NQ. So came down, bounced that 2 hour demand. I didn't catch it as soon as we hit the demand, but as we can see, we got a very high volume spike down in demand, showing that orders were being filled. I then was telling everybody in Team Bull, look for a fair value gap to then catch a higher low. So we had that 2-minute fair value gap here. As price came down, made the fair value gap support. I got long with my stop right below these lows and was able to catch a nice pop up. Unfortunately, did not catch all that. I really wish I did, but was able to catch this. So, NQ. Delete that. Yeah, I mean, supply is going to be our best bet. As far as bounces, let's see. Does not look like we have any good demand. No. Yeah, no good demands. Maybe just an uptrend entry on NASDAQ. That's what I would look for. Let's see who asked that question. Joey, I have a few videos on how to draw supply and demand. Just type in Brandon Trade supply and demand. It'll show you exactly how I do it. Let's see. QQQ needs to clear 411.59. That's the supply zone on there. But again, more interested on the NQ. So I'll watch that for a potential reject. But after that, QQQ all-time highs, 413.1. Cool. Then after that, it's got room. Nice daily volume yesterday as well. Cool. Uptrend entries, QQQ, reject, NQ supply. As far as bounces, don't really have a good bounce right now. Awesome. All right, let's run through individuals. See what we like, what we don't like. Make a little watch list out of it. Pull up the DMs to myself. Good morning, everybody on TikTok as well. Alrighty, let's see. Apple. And for the ones that are in the YouTube live stream, if you guys want this watch list posted up in the chat, take 2 seconds real quick and hit that like button. It's very easy to do. 2 seconds, hit the like button. You guys get the watch list posted in the chat today. Apple. No idea what happened with Apple, but very nice rally. However, it's still in the middle of nowhere, so I don't really care about this. So, skip over Apple. AMD looking like, what is this, new all-time highs? 16542. Yep. Above all-time highs. I mean, I'd like to see us come back down and test that 161 area. You can see it was resistance over here. We gapped above it. We had the 1 hour 21 EMA as well. So I'd personally like to see us come back, test that level. Maybe even an uptrend entry. Just going to be higher risk if we're doing uptrend entries, but we'll see. Amazon smacked that 50% fib yesterday, held it as support. I got like this little trend line flag thing going on here. But I mean, not entirely interested in this. Yeah, personally, nothing on Amazon. If you want to watch it, you can, but I'll watch it probably tomorrow or next week. Boeing don't care about. Boeing don't care about. Costco doing Costco things. Google don't care about. IWM still waiting for that pullback. Meta. Don't care about. Yeah, nothing on Meta. Microsoft. Probably not. Did finally touch that 4 hour 21 EMA though. If I were to be interested in Microsoft, it would be if it could break above pre-market highs, but definitely not my favorite. AMD is definitely up there today. Netflix don't care about NVIDIA. I mean, same thing. It has the strength, so we might as well watch it if the market can get strong and take the semis with it. NVIDIA and AMD are definitely the ones. PayPal, nice rally yesterday. Roku. What'd somebody say? Bounce at daily 21 EMA yesterday. It did. A lot of volume out of it too. But then it gapped down overnight. Nothing on Shopify for me. SPX. Got a very, very tiny gap that can get filled on SPX. And then Tesla. Still going to wait for Tesla at 209.28. That's my level. If I can get down there. Look for a bounce. And they got earnings next week. Next, what's today? Thursday, so next Wednesday. Cool. As far as individuals today, I mean, AMD and NVIDIA. Same thing as yesterday, and then we have our SPY and QQQ levels. So, in the meantime, since we ran through that fairly quickly, any questions you guys got? Any stocks I haven't looked at already that you want me to take a look at? We can do that for the next 5-10 minutes and then narrow the list, finalize levels, and call it a day. And again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds to hit that like button. We got 180 people in here, 55 likes. Make sure to just click the like button and you get a watch list today for free. But yeah, any questions, stocks? Let's do this. Amazon, we looked at Amazon, not too interested in it. Bounced the 50% retracement yesterday. If anything, yesterday was definitely the day. But now we're just trading at this trend line, so it's got limited upside unless it breaks. So if you want to watch it for the break, then feel free. But I will probably wait till tomorrow. If it can actually break today, then it could get the strength tomorrow. You can trade a yes in the pre-market. You can trade a yes at 3 in the morning for all I care. Just depends if there's a setup. There's plenty of different ways to go about taking profits. There's no like correct way. As long as you're getting at least a 1R. But yeah, there's no like right way to go about it. I get that question a lot. How do you go about take profits? When do you know to take profits? It's like, honestly, it's a hard question to answer. Just because, like I said, there's no right way. Now, if you're taking profits before you hit your 1R, if you're risking $500 and you're taking profits at 300, then it doesn't make sense. It's not sustainable. Alrighty. Hey, 3R trade, that's amazing. SMCI. We talked about this one a while ago. But yeah, that weekly squeeze fired up right into 357. You guys remember us talking about this? So weekly squeeze still hasn't fired. If it cracks 358 with strength, it's a straight shot into 392. Options and futures. But yeah, SMCI, that weekly looks really good. Just tested that daily 21 EMA. 61.8 as well. 306. But yeah, weekly looks good. Let's see. And then you said Avigo. We talked about this one the other day. Not too interested. Already filled that gap, but could be trying to form like a weekly flag maybe. No, very ugly. Never mind. Disregard what I just said. But yeah, nothing. Kind of looks like it's flagging though. Either way, it's gonna move with the semis. DWAC. Jeez. If you want to watch it, this was the area that I would have watched. The 1 hour 21 EMA hit it yesterday, 22.5. I mean, you can watch it today with strength if you want. I'm personally not, but up to you. Cool. DWAC, we looked at that. Netflix, not too interested in that. We already looked at it. Netflix really isn't a stock that I typically look at, but or stock that I typically trade. But if you want to watch it, broke out that little wedge right there. If the market were to get strong, you could watch it for the break above pre-market highs. 44.5, take it into yesterday's high, and then after that, you got room. Yeah, Tesla has earnings next week. Might be best to just wait. The only bounce level that I have is down at 209.28. So, I mean, if it got down there, then I'd watch it, but that's about the only thing that has me interested on Tesla. See if we can find a futures trade. But we do have news dropping here in 7 minutes. So we gotta be patient and wait for that. What other trading questions we got? Or stocks? Booking. Surprised it's not squeezing. Looks like a little cup and handle though. If you want to watch that, you can. I don't know if I've ever traded booking, to be honest with you. I really don't think I have. But, I mean, yeah, return to the 21 EMA, made it support. Not like a amazing setup. That would have me interested. So, Boeing watching the 78.6 retracement for a bounce. It got very close yesterday, but did not touch it. Yeah, I mean, SPY and QQQ, they move together. Every 1 point on ES is about 10 cents on SPY. So it's important to do your analysis on both, just because the overnight session on ES can differentiate with the technicals on SPY, because SPY is very thinly traded in the overnight and pre-market. So it's the S&P 500 futures, SPY is the S&P 500. They move in sync. Just levels sometimes can be different. Fair value gaps for swing trading. I personally don't. Haven't tested it either. So, I mean, I'm not too sure, to be honest with you. I'm sure you could. It's just not how I swing. But yeah, we looked at Boeing, trap. Why are you saying trap? We looked at that yesterday. So has that falling wedge. I mean, I would personally wait to see if it gets a daily candle close above 1710. That way it could trap some shorts that are looking to get this gap fill. But if I'm going to look for a bounce, it'd be at 15. What else we got? We got 4 minutes until news. Again, if you guys could real quick, take 2 seconds, hit that like button, and you guys will get a watch list today. That's all you got to do. Hit the like. But yeah, very nice daily squeeze setup we got going on. Cool. Good morning. I mean, I just hold a majority VTI. That's what I buy. But yeah, VTI and blue chip companies and dividend stocks. That's about it. 3 minutes. What can we do for 3 minutes, everybody? Any other questions? What's going on, everybody on TikTok? All right. Individuals, AMD, and NVDA. Nike. You want to play I Spy? I spy something red. I bet you guys can't figure it out. AMD looks like trash. Or not AMD. Netflix. Oh my god. Nike. Jeez. I'd watch it all the way down at 96, personally. I'm gonna hit 69K today. I'm like 20 subs away. Super close. But yeah, Nike, 96 is what I would watch. Oh, you got it. All right, 1 minute. Now we don't have to sit here and be super awkward. Just wait for the news, see what it does, and then we finalize levels. AMD and NVIDIA, and then spying QQQ. One minute. Alrighty. Give me the news. Let's actually see what the numbers are. Come on, what are the numbers? Housing starts -4%, consensus -8%, building permits +1.9%. What the jobless claims, where they at? 187,000. Forecast 205, previous 202. So below previous, below forecast. Cool. Continuing 1.8 mil, estimate 1.84 mil, previous 1.834 mil. So again, same thing below on both. Awesome. See how they react to the news, and then go from there. Appreciate you tapping in, Adam. Hopefully you enjoyed it for your first time. Again, make sure you guys take 2 seconds to hit that like button. I'll give you guys this watch list once we hit to 125 likes today. That's definitely attainable. 125 likes, you guys get the watch list. I mean, if we start pulling back, I really don't have any areas that I'm like super interested in for bounces. I mean, maybe that 5-minute fair value gap, just maybe. But Not a super interesting level. It's kind of far away. We'll see though. Give this thing one more minute to settle, and then we'll finalize some levels. Yeah, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We're about to hit 69K. I mean, I think we're like 20 subs away. Hold on, let me find the actual number. We're 13 away. 13 subscribers from 69K. All right, well, somebody keep me updated if ES starts tanking or rocketing, but if I'm gonna watch a reject, it's gonna be that 61.8 up there. It's definitely higher risk, but it could be a if it were to actually like reject hard, then it could actually end up being a nice trade. But let's get this all typed up. SPY. Why does it keep doing this? SPY. Live risk reject 475.27. Up there, looking for more upside. Bounce around 473, which is going to be a retest of that trend line, which is that fair value gap there. Yes, you can see that fair value gap's in the same area. So, cool. QQQ. Because we bounced off a higher time frame. QQQ. We bounced off a higher time frame fib yesterday on ES, and we're still in a strong uptrend. So we could reject there. We could go right through it. I'm willing to watch it, watch price action, and see how we react there. Just if you're going to trade it, know that it's going to be a higher risk trade. QQQ. I mean, yeah, we're going to have to watch the NQ levels. Do I use AI trading? No. Use my eyeballs. Let's see. NQ levels today. Watching supply from 17084.752 17105.754 rejects. Cool. NVDA. Of course. It's just gonna go. AMD. Hopefully that AMD isn't nuking. New all-time highs. I would have liked to watch that 164.50. It's just we already hit it. New all-time highs. Ideally, looking for a bounce around 161. However, I will watch for intraday uptrend entry. There's no way to get in Team Bull for free. No, sir. Everything I'm watching today. Let's see. Smoke. My bad. Cool. If you are in the Discord, you have the watch list. YouTube channel members, you're about to get the watch list. We might actually hit that SPY level in the pre-market. We're moving now. Oh my god. Did we already hit it? Super close. 10 cents off. Anyways, I'll still watch it. If we break it, however, got more room up. So, all right. Discord members got the watch list. YouTube channel members have the watch list. And then all you guys need is 125 likes if you want this watch list, which is 7 more likes. I know you guys can do it. And then for everybody, I spilled my coffee. That would have been bad. Everybody that's watching me on TikTok, I also go live on my YouTube channel every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time, give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 850 plus free videos teaching you on how to trade. Some of the videos being this new futures bootcamp that I'm doing. So if you're looking to learn about looking to learn about futures, not bootcamp, definitely make sure to check them out. They're going to be up for a limited time. And then I have an older bootcamp series. Most is only accessible to channel members now, but still got like the first, 6, 7 videos up for free. So highly suggest checking it out and taking advantage of it. But yeah, Brandon trades on YouTube, about to hit 69K. Yeah, why not both? All we can do is watch levels. It's the main thing that we want to do. Watch levels, see how the market reacts. If it confirms levels, we take the trade. Damn, VWAP is super far away. Cool. All right, let's give you guys this watch list. So, you shouldn't have to download them. You should just be able to watch them. Anyways, as always, none of this is financial advice. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky, where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I'm not responsible for any lost funds. So, okay. SPY, QQQ, NVDA, and AMD. AMD. Also. Awesome. Cool. Any questions you guys got? I see what you're saying. You might not be able to download them because they're channel member only, but I didn't think that would. Hold on. It shouldn't matter. I think it is because it's only channel members. That's why I will let you download it. If it was public, you could. Oh well. Try to figure it out. See if I can make it so you can download it. Awesome. But yeah, let's go wrap it up today. If you guys are in Team Bull, I'll talk to you guys in like 20-30 minutes. If you're not in Team Bull, I highly suggest getting on the wait list. We're currently closed, but just take 5 seconds, fill out the wait list. You'll get notified next time we open up the Discord. Trade live with me every single day. Get my swing trades. Trade with Grizzly, a bunch of other amazing traders. So here is the link to that. Again, take 5 seconds. Make sure you fill it out. But yeah. That's everything I'm watching today. Super close to that reject. Fell 10 cents short, unfortunately. But yeah, we will see what happens. Awesome. Well, everybody have a good day. I hope you all make money. Make sure you guys tap in tomorrow bright and early, 8 a.m. Eastern time. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed, bell notifications on. I'll talk to everybody tomorrow.